Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a Valentine's Day nails tutorial. Keep watching. I sanitized my nails with an alcohol swab and now I'm going to use the Gelish pH bond. This is a dehydrator. Next, I will add a layer of the foundation gel, also by Gelish. And that's little hair. Now we're going to cure for 60 seconds and then we're going to go in with a layer of the Kiara Sky Builder Gel. Cure for 60 seconds. Now for my gel color, I'm going to use the OPI, put it in neutral, and you can use any nude color. Cure for 60 seconds. I ended up hitting my nail, so I had to put an extra coat and I just put it under the light to cure and it was good as new. Now for the glitter, I'm going to use some of the foundation and I'm going to start dabbing on the glitter very lightly to my liking. I'm going to add some of the silver on top to give it a little layering effect. Cure for 20 seconds. Now I'm going to add another layer of the foundation on top of the glitter I have cured. Cure for 60 seconds. I'm just going to file off some of that extra glitter. Add a tiny bit of the foundation gel. Now we're going to add one more layer of glitter just to make it look more encapsulated and make it pop. For 60 seconds. Next, we're going to apply one more coat of the Kiara Sky Builder Gel. Cure for 60 seconds. We're going to buff the nails to make them nice and smooth and so they won't be too thick as well. And keep on buffing. Now grab your file and reshape the nails. Now, After filing and buffing, we are going to add another layer of the foundation gel. Cure for 60 seconds, and then we're gonna wipe the sticky layer off our nails. Now that I'm done with the glitter nails, I'm gonna go with the gelish Top It Off gel on the remaining fingernails. Cure for 60 seconds. Now we're gonna apply the iridescent powder on top of the nail. This powder I got on Amazon. Now to seal down the iridescent powder, we are going to apply one coat of the gelish Top It Off. Cure for 60 seconds. We're going to wipe off the sticky layer with an alcohol swab. And there's one hand done. On to the next. Alright, and now we're just going to repeat everything we did. the completed look for my V-Day nails. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, leave me comments. Tell me if you want to see more videos like this or what type of videos you like to see. Again, thank you so much. Goodbye.